Hi, how are you doing today? Not too bad, thanks. How about you? I'm doing well, thanks. Have you noticed how hot it's been lately? Oh, yes, it's been unbearable. I can't stand this heat any longer. I know what you mean. I heard it's supposed to cool down next month, though. Really? That would be a relief. Do you think it's going to rain? It's hard to say. The forecast says there's a chance of thunderstorms tomorrow. Thunderstorms? I hope it doesn't get too bad. I hate the sound of thunder. Good morning. How's the weather outside today? It's pretty chilly out there. I had to wear my coat this morning. It's been getting colder each day. Yes, and it's been raining a lot too. I had to use my umbrella twice this week. I heard it's supposed to rain all day today. Do you think it's going to snow anytime soon? I don't know. It's been pretty cool, but I don't think it's quite cool enough for snow yet. Hey, have you been outside today? It's so humid. Yes, it's been pretty muggy lately. I feel like I can't escape the heat. It's been making me feel lazy. Yeah, me too. I can't wait for fall to come around. It's my favorite season. Fall is nice, but I love the summer. Even if it gets really hot, I just love the long days. That's true. I just wish it would cool down a bit. I'm tired of feeling sticky and sweaty all the time. Hey, have you seen the forecast for this weekend? It's supposed to be sunny and warm. Really? That's great news. We should plan a picnic or something. Yeah, that's a great idea. Where should we go? How about the park by the lake? It's a beautiful spot and there's lots of shade. Sounds perfect. What should we bring for the picnic? We can pack some sandwiches, fruit, and snacks. And don't forget sunscreen and bug spray. I can't believe how nice the weather is today. It's perfect for a picnic. I'm so glad we decided to do this. Me too. This spot by the river is so beautiful and the breeze is just perfect. And the food is delicious. I love these sandwiches and fruit. Thanks, I'm glad you like them. And check out this homemade lemonade I made. Wow, it's so refreshing. This is the perfect picnic. We should do this more often. Absolutely. And next time we should bring some games to play too. Yes, that would be so much fun. I can't wait for the next picnic. This picnic was such a great idea. I love being outside in the fresh air. Yes, it's so nice to take a break from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. And the weather couldn't be better. I'm so glad we lucked out on this one. I was worried it was going to be too hot or too rainy, but it's just amazing. And look at the view. The mountains in the distance are so beautiful. I know, it's breathtaking. I feel so lucky to live in such a beautiful place. What's your favorite season? Fall. I love the crisp air, the changing leaves, and all the cozy sweaters. I can see why. Fall is beautiful. What's your favorite thing to do in the fall? I think it's a good time to go on holidays. Have you ever gone on a hayride in the fall? Yes, and it's so much fun. It's a perfect way to enjoy the season with friends and family. I'm curious, what's your favorite season? Summer. I love the warmth, the long days, and all the outdoor activities. What's your favorite summer activity? I love going to the beach and swimming in the ocean. There's nothing like feeling the sun on your skin. Wonderful. Have you ever gone camping in the summer? Yes, there's nothing like sitting around a campfire and watching the stars come out. What do you like to do in the spring? I love going on nature walks and seeing all the flowers in bloom. And I also enjoy planting my own garden. Sounds peaceful. Do you have any favorite gardens or parks? Yes, I love going to the Boston Public Garden. Have you heard about the latest report on climate change? No, what does it say? It says that the Earth's temperature is rising faster than expected and that we need to take urgent action to reduce carbon emissions. That's really concerning. What can we do to help? I can't believe how much the weather patterns have changed over the past few years. Yeah, it's definitely not what it used to be. I'm worried about how will this impact our planet in the long run. Me too. It's important that we all take responsibility for our actions and make changes to protect the environment. I'm worried about the future of our planet if we don't do something about climate change soon. It's a valid concern, but it's important to stay positive and take actions where we can. What do you think we can do to address climate change? Well, there are a lot of things we can do as individuals, like reducing our energy consumptions and using public transportations more often. How do you think climate change will affect our daily lives in the future? We likely see more extreme weather events like floods and droughts, and we may see changes in the availability of certain foods. That's really concerning. I hope we can take actions to mitigate these effects. We need to act now to prevent even worse consequences in the future. Did you see the protests about climate change on the news? Yes, it's great to see so many people raising awareness about the issue. But do you think it will actually make a difference? I think it already has. It's put pressure on governments and business to take action. That's true. It's up to all of us to make our voices heard and demand change. Absolutely. We can't afford to wait any longer. The time to act is now. It's so hot outside today. I feel like the weather is getting more extreme every year. It's not just a feeling, it's actually happening. Climate change is causing more frequent and severe weather events. What do you think we could do in this situation? We could walk or bike instead of driving cars and also plant more trees to absorb carbon dioxide.